On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco.
Good morning. What's going on? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Outer Gang. How we all doing? We ready to make some money? It's Monday morning. Ooh, we just making some more coffee. Some more coffee. How's it going, guys? Hope you're having a good morning. Let's go get it. Says Piper Academy. What's going on, man? What's going on, man? How we all doing this morning? Outer gang. Good day, JP. What's going on, man? Michael, what's going on? Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. What's going on? Let's say hello in the chat. Come on, it's Monday. Say hello to me, man. It's Monday, man. Where's the support, man? Seymour Liddy, what's going on? Lloyd Roger Spencer, what's going on? Otter Gang Monday, high five. High five, I like. Good to see you guys, 22 people in here. Let's get after it, man. Pretty exciting. Looking for a little bit of a short right now. Had to get my likes in. Good morning. Yeah, good morning, Piper. Hope you're doing well. Hope Zach had a good birthday, man. Is that Zach with a CH or is it Zach with a CK? Who knows? Keep it a mystery. It's a good guess. But hopefully your son had a wonderful, wonderful birthday, man. God bless you and the family. Looking for a little bit of a short continuation right now. So let's get into it, my friends. We'll see. So we have this like downwards trend line here. We have the okay, so like a buy level down below here that I am looking for us to come lower. 57,000. Just looking for this to continue down. We'll see. We're getting a little push up this morning, getting everybody a little bit excited, but we can see that we're bouncing off of VWAP right now, so we can see. Will we get rejected from this trend line, come back down below VWAP? We do have a bullish divergence here. So we have a lower low here and a higher low here, right? So this is a concern, is that this could try to push up and break out. If we get a breakout, we look for the retest, right? So breakout, retest, and then continuation. So we got a couple options right now. We could get short, which I'm considering. I know it's early, but sometimes these early moves can be nice. Get out, get paid. We get short, we come back down in, look for maybe a higher low even, and I bounce out. But right now it's kind of like, do you want to get short? Is it too early to get short? Good question, right? Good question. We've pushed up quite aggressively right off the bat here. I'm not sure if I like this. Volume came in clearly, retesting previous lows here. Failure to get above here. Downwards trend line continuation back down. I would look for a retest back down. Yes. Yeah. Why not? Why not? It's Monday. It's Monday, right? So we can look for that. Let's see if we get a little push back up here, and then maybe we can get in. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Let's say hello to you guys. He had a good one. So looking for a potential short right now. Dixie's demolished. It's actually really good that the Dixie has put in another low. Okay, so if Dixie crawls back up here, we just keep pounding it to the ground, man. It doesn't seem to be any relationship to Bitcoin though, as Bitcoin has rolled over since last night. So, okay, possible entry here to get short. I don't know if I like it. It's too early to make a decision. It's too early to make that decision. It's not good to make decisions when you haven't had more than, well, I've had one cup of coffee. That's close enough, right? Maybe we get in quarter position. We'll take a nip. See if it does reject from here. It is a bit early to try and see my bias. We'll take a little nip here. A little nip. Just looking for it to come back down into here. Still a nice little move. That's still a nice little, almost a full %. Okay. We'll see how it goes. We're in. Stop loss just above this high here. Just above this high here. We'll see how it goes. Stop loss 58,750. Okay. 756 for good luck. We'll see how it goes. Not a big position though. Not a big position. It's a Monday morning position size, guys. It's a Monday morning position size. I want to see a clear VWAP get down below here. It seems to be banging its head and flagging out, so could possibly push up. That's okay. That's okay. This looks like straight up continuation to the downside. Okay, we get the roll over here. Everybody a bit bearish, looking for continuation. The liquidity, in my opinion, resides down below in here. Okay, so within this orange box down below, I would like to see us visit this before trying to head up. It's not necessarily true, right? We do have a golden pocket down here. Let's go to the 1 hour, kind of cleans it up. Get market cipher off for now. And look here, is that very much a retracement, but this isn't a full retracement in my opinion. It hasn't fully hit, not even down to the 618 yet. I love this bullish divergence in here, but I don't know if that's strong enough, you know, that soup. I don't know if it's strong enough to push us out. We have created fair value gaps above, so fair value gap, you know. After rolling over last night, kind of ugly weekly close, not something that I wanted to see, but I look for continuation here. To me, this has just started. You got your bearish divergence up top here, your retest, your rollover, and then your continuation. I wasn't trading last night, but it was very obvious kind of what was going on. This is a bit crowded right now. Let's get rid of the fib. How's this trade looking? Push Bitcoin. Come on down. Just down to here. Maybe you give me a little bit of a pay for my coffee this morning and then some. Pay for something. You can do it. You know you want to. You know you don't like pushing back up into the range here. You don't like that. You want to come back down in here. So we'll see how that goes. Looking at I guess we can look at our weekly and stuff like that over here. Let's go here, weekly. Let's get rid of some of this stuff here. Okay. That's okay. We'll get rid of the lines here. Looking for this to roll back down. Come on, Bitcoin. Whoops, not meant to see that. Our weekly did not hold that level that we were talking about on the live last night. Pushing down here did not hold that 58,700 level for a positive close. It was a negative close. Still a doji candle, still indecision, but a negative close. Okay, not a positive close. We wanted to see continuation here of a doji candle, like a close above that 58,700. We didn't get it. Okay, it rolled over and it closed negatively, which isn't the greatest sign. However, our weekly is still posturing to the upside here, which is good. Same with our 3-day closing yesterday as well. Still flattening, coming closer to that zero line. However, red money flow. So we got the crossover. We did not get the ramping we wanted to see on money flow here. We turned red. So not so good. Not so bueno. Not so bueno, my friends. Flattening out on the VWAP here. Still can flip to the upside. We do have some positive posturing too on our stochastics, but nonetheless, not so bueno. Okay. Not so bueno. Oh, come on. This is why I don't trade until market open, man. Or at least close to market open. We got no volume coming in here. Come back down for some liquidity. We'll take you off. I'm gonna bring this up to here. I'll take 58,152. Take profit 58,152. We'll make it 160. If it comes down here. Let's see if it comes down here. We could be in this. Oh yeah, come on. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down, baby. You got it. You got it. Break that VWAP, man. You got to break that VWAP. So looking at this here, so 3-day flattening out, not so bueno. Okay, daily Red dot hasn't printed yet, but it's still, VWAP crossover to the downside. Failure to get above the 50 line of the stochastics. Money flow remains red. Okay, so this we can say that, hey, eventually this is going to look good if it bounces from here. If we get a bounce today, that's quite possible. We could be looking to turn to the upside. Okay, that could still turn bullish, but nonetheless, not looking too good, okay? Not looking too good. Going into our 12-hour here. Same thing. Money rolling over, right? Money's coming down very aggressively, okay? Very aggressively. Flattening of the VWAP, it's okay, but it's that money. It's that money, man. That money's concerning here as we continue to proceed. And understanding where we are in the charts, right? If we're looking at the charts here, right, we have clearly just moved up aggressively, flagged out, without really coming back down to check any of this stuff down here. So we have this higher low over here. So if we break that higher low, I'm a little bit concerned. I might just close this trade. I don't think it's a good trade. Oh, do I close it? Put a one in the chat if you think I should close the short from 58,450. Should we close this? Take our whatever. $50. What do you guys think? Put a one in the chat if you think I should close this. Put a two in the chat if you think I should keep it open. I want to know. Come on, you guys got to help me out. We're here to work together. We got 2, 1. Just chase it with stop loss. Okay. 2, 1. It's not showing my chat on the studio. Is that weird? You guys see this? It's not showing any of my chat, and you guys still got the stream, right? It's not showing my chat in YouTube right now. I can see it in Streamlabs. You can smell the bull flag, can't you? Refresh it. I'm afraid to refresh it, guys. Why not straddle? You guys, it's Monday morning. We're not going to talk about straddling, okay? This is a friendly environment here. Look at this ugly flag, man. This is going to break up. Look at the 1 minute. We can close it. What if we get like a push up here? A little push up. Bearish divergence like this, right? Yeah? Bring us back down, grab some liquidity in the morning. What do you guys think? I think we keep it open. Luke closed his. Luke's been on a winning streak. I don't know if I wanna counter trade Luke. Go long, says Joshua Lee Mallory. Yeah, we'll just schlong it. We'll schlong it like this. We'll just go here and here. We'll see. We can't lose that way, right? Can't lose that way. Now we got to come back and revisit the highs here. 58,150. I don't know. Everybody being too bearish or bullish right now, man. I'm going to counter trade all of you guys. Jasmine shorts better? Yeah, probably. Probably would pay better, right? Darren does things in the chat. What's going on, man? So my chat's messed up on my studio. I don't know if I can go back or forward here. Okay. Live now. See, I don't even know what's... Come on, YouTube, man. Don't be doing this on me on Monday. We're keeping the trade open, man. It's got my weekend overview and my live trading scheduled. What the fuck? That's messed up, man. That's messed up, man. Look, it's got my weekend overview, but I clicked on this one, so I got to delete this one. Delete forever. I understand, my friend. Okay, and then I got to do you guys mind resharing this out for me? We go over here, and you guys are all hanging out here. So we got to share this one. We ain't reviewing. We're live trading, man. How's our trade doing? Oh, who's in the money? Who's in the money? Who's your daddy, and what does he do? Who's your daddy, and what does he do? I'm gonna take a partial here. Add set take profit. Okay. We're gonna take off. We're gonna take off a little bit here. 58 to 70. Okay. Come on, give me some money. Stop loss to entry. First take profit hit. Okay. First take profit hit. Stop loss to entry. Good morning, America. Good morning, America. Eat my shorts, as they would say in America, right? Bart Simpson. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's change the title here. We gotta work together here. We gotta work together here. I'm gonna change the title to live trading. Okay, we'll save that. We'll go over here. We'll upload the thumbnail again. All right. We doing it live, man. We doing it live. We doing it live. We took the short. We made some money already. We got the band-aid. We're band-aiding this thing, man. I didn't get in because I got the wrong link. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Look at all the people coming in and hanging out now because they're getting the right link. I don't know if I don't get it. I don't get it, man. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Sorry about the link. I told you last night I'm going live at 8 a.m. You guys know I'm a man of my word, right? Right? I always get you the goods. Now we can say hello to you guys. And we've made money this morning already. Oh my God. What a beautiful day to be alive, hanging out with you guys. He trades crypto. Sandbox, please. We ain't doing a full request. We'll do the requests in between the trading. We realize that we miss trades when we start doing TA on other things. So good morning to you guys. Maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning, Joshua Lee. Good morning. Why not straddle? Huck still got you. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Stream is good, says French Toaster. Refresh it. Yeah, all good, G. Okay, good to see you, Aaron. Ivor, good to see you. Wayne C. Hope you got that sandwich on the weekend, bro. Verified trader. Sunshine in the sky. Maybe a Band-Aid more 10. John Foster, Crypto Man. What's going on? Seymour Liddy, good morning, good morning. Joshua Lee. Oh, all the gangs out here, guys. Let's see some otters in the chat, man. Let's see. What is the otter spam rate here? Like, can we get the otters on another level? We've already taken a trade. We've already made money. And it's a beautiful Monday, guys. It's a beautiful Monday. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the chat. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting me, helping me support you, and we'll continue to try our best to make money in this crazy, crazy market. I love it. I love it. Look at all the otters coming in, man. My guys. And if you are new here, I mean, join us in the Discord. That's kind of where the alpha is. We go live. We give the trade setups. We got multiple trades coming at you all at once. From Brewberry to Kyle to myself, we all kind of hold down the fort there. We got a new chat bot, Me6, and it's driving us all mad. But guess what? I'm putting a little money into the channel, hopefully getting it up to an even better and stronger level for everybody, and hopefully we can continue to deliver for you guys. So thank you guys for being here and supporting me. My pleasure. Sorry about the mix-up this morning. Okay, so price coming back up a little bit here. I don't know. Do we take this off right now? Pay ourselves fully. I've taken like a 0.25% out. For me, flagging out here, we could be popping off. Okay. It's an ugly morning candle, right? This could be your retest re-entry. Don't move your stop loss, Alex. Oh, I'm gonna move my stop loss. I'm gonna move my stop loss back up here. Okay, so we're still in the short. Stop loss is break even now. So this is a free trade. I just want to give myself a little bit of wiggle room here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. What's the stop loss? Okay, yeah. Okay, so if I do get knocked out here, I'll be break even, which is okay. But I want to give myself a little bit more room just in case. Too many times have I. So this is a free trade. If it comes up here, I've made the money from down here. So it'll be break even. But nonetheless, I do want to give myself a little bit of wiggle room just in case we do something like this and come back down. We'll see here. We all watching that 1 minute flag here. Oh, man. So we were talking about top-down analysis and how really the idea is that if we're going to come down anywhere in here, it's going to be, let's just put this over here. It's going to be to come and grab this. Now we're still in this here, so I'm looking for us to hold this area. And we'll see how that continues here on this kind of chop down. If we are to put in a lower low here, I might get a little bit more bearish and look for a much deeper retracement. Much deeper retracement. How deep is your love? Ooh, oh, ooh. It's pushing back up. Am I the fire? Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm closing this. Closing. Close it. You guys tell me what to do. Put a 1 in the chat if you want me to close it. Put a 2 in the chat if you keep it open. 1 and 2. Close it. 1. Keep it open. 2. Close it. 1. Keep it open. 2. I need that decision fast, guys. I need that decision, guys. I need it. I need your guys' support, right? Oh, we're gonna be break even soon. Oh, take the money and run. Take the money and run. Oh, it can go lower. It can go lower. I'm telling you. Good fun, man. This is good fun. I'm enjoying these live streams in the morning. You guys keep me on my toes, man. Okay, I didn't close it. I'm keeping it open. Oh fuck. Maybe I should listen. I'm closing it. Terminated. Okay, it's closed. Now it's gonna dump, guys. Now it's gonna dump. It's fully closed here. Here's your evidence. Blah blah blah. Keeping it real with you guys as usual. Dick for a tick. Close price 58.423. All right, now we can now we can breathe. Oh man. Okay, so it is closed. It is closed. It is closed. It is closed. We're holding VWAP, right? So we're holding VWAP. We're pushing back up into the range. We actually made a higher low here, right? So we didn't really come down and break structure to the downside. If we're looking at our 1 minute and we want to be nitpicky here, we never really came down below here, right? That's why we took some profit out here. Guess what? We made money this morning. So who cares? Beautiful, beautiful. A nice little scalp, silly trade. But you know what? Coming into resistance, pushing back down. I would like to see a swing failure here. Swing failure and then a structure change to the downside. That would be ideal. But we'll have to wait and find out. Okay. Why is yeah. We could just get rejected from up here. Very possible. Like anchor trigger wave to the downside. But nonetheless, it's Monday morning. You take a win and that's it. A lot of you guys say we're dumping. Reverse it to a long. Well, this is kind of I would say this is a sell area, right? So when we look at this thing right here, we are in this downtrend. We are coming back up. We're revisiting previous lows. Okay. If we break out and retest, that's a potential for a long coming up. So breakout retest, still potential for a long here. But for me right now, this has momentum. We got a little volume surge coming into this. We can see it here, right? So we had the volume surge down, which swept some lows, okay? Volume surge down, volume surge back up, suggesting a little bit of strength to the upside this morning. And we'll see how that... we've clearly created fair value gaps above here. So like to revisit this area would be ideal. We'll see if we get there. And we've also created a bullish divergence over here where we are making lower lows and a higher low here. Money's coming out. That's the only concern. But nonetheless, this can be quite strong, pushing us up only to get more rejected, right? So I think this was a good close. Good call, guys. Thank you for your help. I appreciate you guys. But we wait. I'm going to start a new thing. Every time I say I'm going to give away 1 USDT. I think that's the new thing because I got to stop saying I don't sound professional. I sound like a fucking monk. You know what I mean? Like, and I want to be better at delivering my thought pattern, and saying isn't going to help anybody. So I think every time you guys count for me, okay? You guys count, and at the end of the week, if you guys aren't being honest though, I'm gonna do the giveaway. I'm gonna do the giveaway, and you're not included, okay? If you guys are being dishonest, we're gonna put a counter, okay? A counter. So every stream, we're going to put a counter. That doesn't count. We're just... It's like a swear jar. Exactly. Okay, so I'll say we're at 3. We'll front run it. We'll say we're at a 5 right now, okay? We're at a 5. Everything is on video. We're at a 5 right now. We'll start at 5, my friends. We'll start a new poll. Oh, because I think I need to be a bit more concise in my message. Correct? Currently at 5, okay? Currently at 5. We'll see what we get to. If I get into it though, and I'm like focused, I will definitely F up. I will definitely F up. Like, what's going on, Andy? Hope you're doing well, my man. Andy Bitcoin sends this out here. My man. Hope you're doing well. And then by the end of the week, we'll have a tally of the amount of ums we said. And you know the type of it is. I can say right now. You're not counting those last 3 because this is a demonstration of what we're trying to accomplish here. Does the MeBot monitor that? The MeBot monitors like when you poop and pee and like it's all over the place, man. That thing is driving me absolutely insane. But I told Kyle from InvestShare that I would install it and then have him help me set it up better. So we'll see how the MeBot goes. And we'll go from there. All good, brother. Hope you're good too. Yeah, man, I'm doing really well. I mean, the baby, Mrs. Otter, Amy is 37 weeks now, so she's full term. Baby could come anytime, my friends. So if I just disappear and I say, hey guys, I'm busy, I gotta go or whatever, you'll understand that. You'll understand that she's in labor and the baby's coming. He's a big too. Yes. Are we at 6? IKO, are we at 6? Did I do it? I didn't even realize I did it. No way. No way. Aaron's at 7. I expect honesty, my friends, okay? I expect honesty. We're going to put the counter over here. I got to get a counter for the stream. The counter. I'll get like a little, just like BloFin or a market Cipher. I don't know how to do. I think Streamlabs has a counter thing, so I could just keep counting how many I actually say throughout the stream, and then we can just all criticize me. Just make sure you do a live at the hospital. Yeah, I'm sure the missus would love me to do that, man. you guys just want a big giveaway, right? End of the week, Alex said 5,000 holding you accountable. Oh man. I appreciate you guys. So here's this kind of double top here. I don't know if we're gonna roll over. We're coming up to 9 o'clock. Breakout retest. This still looks like it's gonna come down, in my opinion. So we'll have to wait and find out. I'm doing the top-down analysis here on Bitcoin. You know, we do have sort of a crossroads here where we are in this downtrend, looking for it to come down. We didn't come down to our 618, right? This isn't significant. This would be better, in my opinion. Triple bottom, continuation out, right, into our key bounce area, order blocks, golden pocket. So something that's why I got short this morning, taking a little short here. However, we do have lots of, we got the bull divs here. Money's coming out. Momentum to the upside. 1 hour looks relatively strong as well. Got your double bottom here. Same thing. Bullish divergence. Just I'm not convinced on this low. Not convinced on this low. I would like to see higher. Or I would like to see lower. I apologize. I would like to see lower before we get up, right? Bouncing off the 3-minute 200, Aaron. I love it, man. He's the 3-minute 200 moving average. Let's go. That's a new technique. I gotta add that to my strategy, man. Let's go to the 3-minute 200. Look at that, bouncing off of it. Aaron's on it, man. Aaron knows what's up. He's got that beautiful. I would like to see an SFP up here. SFP up here. Big blow off top. Break of the low. Then we look to get short here. Okay. That would be the short trade setup. More ideally. Okay. Swing failure up here, creating bearish divergence. Okay. Rejection down, breaking the low, and then continuation. And that's the ideal short right now, in my opinion. But that 200, watch that 3-minute 200 moving average, guys. This is gonna be this is gonna be a tough one to break. You guys crack me up, man. Thank you guys for being here, man. I don't think I would have any fun doing this by myself. I mean, I did it by myself for quite some time. Look at this. Look at this. This thing is pure power. Look at this. Just holding us down. I remember when I streamed to like 3 people, so having 100 people in here is kind of mind-blowing. I love it. This is good, man. This is Otter Gang. I mean, this is a community where we, so breakout retest back down to this area is something I'm interested in. I mean, I always go to the 4, the 3, the 2 hour time frames, right? Looking for some kind of confluence in a setup here. I see a continuation, right? Anchor trigger wave. VWAP to the upside, money curving up for the 4 hour. So this is kind of leading me to believe that we might get a little bit of a push up today back, probably retest that 59,000 area for a potential long, right? You can see that continuation here for the short term. And then we get to the 3, the 2. This looks a little bit overextended now, right? The 2 starting to print that green dot. VWAP's crossing over to the upside. But then you got that bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So it's suggesting up to at least retest these highs here, 59.2. But then you get into like a 12 hour. That looks horrible. Red dot, confirm, downside, money coming out, daily, money trying to come back in, red dot. Hasn't printed yet, but it's definitely looking like it wants to, right? Our 3-day coming up to the 0 line, but 3-day money flow turning red. So there's some concern with the higher term time frames, in my opinion. But this bull div right now, if we break out, so the long trade is the breakout retest and continuation, putting in a higher low here, right? That's the long trade. The short this morning was just a little scalp. We are looking for resistance. It is holding VWAP right now as well. So if we're looking at VWAP, oops, don't move that. Keep your trend lines the same. It's holding VWAP right now. If we are to lose VWAP, roll over. I mean, that's why we took the short here. It was a good entry, good little exit. Made a little bit of money this morning, but for the short, I would like to see the SFP of the highs, right? Grabbing this liquidity before heading down, right? And then looking for that break of structure and then that lower high in order to get short on. Is that 8? Did I say again? We're at 8 now. Okay, we're going to keep. Okay, so we're at meter 8 right now. Okay, every time I say it's more USD for you guys. So this is a lot of Canadian pesos. Okay, so be nice to me. Bullish on ums. You can't count the ums that I'm saying intentionally. It's the ums that I'm saying to fill air in between my speech, okay? I need an honest appraisal. I can't have you SECing my ums and giving me some fake information saying that I've said 5,000 times when really we're trying to be fair here. An is an All ums lives matter. Okay. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. God, come on, price action. So Dixie is down. I'll make it 10 now. Okay, I'll make it 10. I would expect Dixie to retrace here. So that would mean a little bit down for Bitcoin. Dixie to retrace. Meter go up. USDT go up. Flaggy here. Symmetrical triangle trying to break out. So if we do break out here, I would look for retest continuation. If we break this low here, I would look for retest continuation. Okay, until then, no participation, okay? Even the ums when you're talking about ums. You guys are just getting me to read so you get more ums, okay? View up strong here. Okay, let's see if there's an USDT. There is. It's UMA. Or is it South Korea? USDT. There's got to be an coin. It's UMA. We don't have an coin. So there's the potential that we make an we make an coin. You guys kill me, man. You guys kill me. So we got about 40 minutes till market opens. Cup and handle. Is that your cup and handle here? On what time frame, Josh? 5 minute? 5 minute cup and handle? Is that what you're seeing here? I think it's spelling Oh. It just keeps going up, man. You guys kill me. So if you guys are new here, we do have a Discord with an annoying bot that is keeping everybody on their toes. Look, even Me6 got the right video. See, this was starting, and then Me6 was like, hold my beer. I selected the wrong video, okay? I selected the wrong video. It really messed up this morning. Tony says they only care for Powell. Okay, so this guy's speaking. Okay. But we do get trade setups, ideas, all that good stuff. My levels, I share the levels. Brewberry, another trader here, he goes live. Very good charts, very good. You will learn a lot from this. So Kyle, great trader, InvestaShare, Benova does really well as well. Lunar Beach's morning show. Cipher stepped down a little bit right now, but you do get a lot of alpha here, and there's a lot of resources, a lot of good people, a lot of good traders within our Discord where people are here just crushing it. Lots of information here. Great community built on kindness, helping each other. Make that moolah, okay? Making that moolah. Did I do another one? 14. Okay. You guys are killing me today, eh? If I say A, that doesn't count because A is Canadian, okay? Don't. Alexandra G, we have started an meter, okay? The meter is going to be given away at the end of, on Friday morning stream, we'll do the giveaway of the meter. The meter carries over every single day for the week, and we're trying to limit our okay? Said intentionally, though, are not counted, okay? I'm counting on the honesty of the community in order to be fair about the amount of that we are actually saying. So, if anything, you know, we need to be very cautious of the amount of Yeah, Cipher stepped down and he's more active in the Discord now. It's kind of funny, isn't it, Tony? I hold a big short from 59,400, let's say. Should I hold it or take profit now? What do you think, bro? 59.4. Nice trade. Nice trade. On the breakdown, right? So see, that's the target area I would look for price to return. For me, I would take a little bit off. Or I would take a little bit off, or I put my my stop loss right here. If we break these highs here, I'd expect continuation. Good trade though. Very nice trade. Very nice trade. Very good that we got out of that long or that short position here. VWAP's holding strong. Okay. VWAP's holding strong. I would look for 15-minute these highs are going to be significant. So if this can hold, happy days. Okay. If this doesn't hold, I would look for us to revisit down below in here. Dixie's pushing up, which is typically I think I said at least once, right? This meter sucks. I need a better meter. I need a script or something. Maybe if let's put a space here. And then I can just draw it. We're at 15. Okay. Then I can just delete this and continue. Because every time I have to go and backspace this. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a push out here. Money's coming in. VWAP's overextended, pushing down. Stochastics, big gapper, but this bull div here can play out quite nicely, right? 1 hour bull div. Quite strong. Lower low, higher high. Money coming back in. We'll see if it can. Push back in. VWAP to the upside. Positive posturing here on stochastics. This looks a little bit strong right now, so we'll see how it plays out. Remember, we're not getting into the trade just yet. I would like to see a push. I would like to see this high taken out. Okay, so we look at here. I want to see this high taken out. Then I want to see the retest of this trend line coming back in, and then I look to get long. Okay. Good morning, Dave. Like 60 is Dave Digital. We got 100 people in here and only 60 likes. Oh, I got myself right away. I think we can do better than that. I can't believe I said that, man. I'm disgusted with that. That was a bad. Let's make it 7. That was a bad. Fuck. We're trying to be better, guys. See, holding ourselves accountable. Good to see you, Alexandra G, in the chat. So many legends in here. Thank you guys for being here, supporting my channel, helping me help you guys. You guys are all going in the 30 plus category. Eh? You guys got no faith in me today. I'm going to hold it under 20. I walk into the live stream and it's City. I said 30 plus ums. You guys are all no faith, 50 plus. Oh man. They have to be legitimate ums though, like the ones that take up space between what I'm trying to say. Mr. Whale, good to see you. All ums are created equal. I love it. You guys are hilarious. Uma 3rd meter. Oh, it looks like we're getting a little push here. Okay, let's see. Breakout. Go on, Bitcoin. Holding this VWAP. I would like to see an SFP here. Oh, baby. Give me that bearish divergence, please. Please, please, and thank you. We have one winning trade this morning. We shorted from here. We got out here. Okay, we took profit 1. And it came back up. We got out. Okay. In this little symmetrical triangle. Don't wanna mess with this thing just yet. We'll see how it goes. We definitely got an meter going. Okay. If we say we gotta give away more money at the end of the week. So just trying to keep us honest here. We got 101 Dalmatians in here. I mean, beautiful otters and only 68 likes. Let's get those up, please. Thank you for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. Join us in the Discord. That's where all the alpha is. It's all free. It's all free. You have nothing to lose. This week looks pretty easy. FOMC on Wednesday. Chair pair. So even this morning we had I don't know what's his name, Waller's speech. Whoever this guy is, who cares? He's speaking in 15 minutes. We'll see how that goes. I don't think it'll move markets. Okay. Canadian inflation rate, guys. It's absolutely disgusting here in Canada. If you're from Canada, you know what I mean. I go to the grocery store and I spend $400 every time. There's only 2 of us. So pretty crazy. What do you mean, Luke? I didn't say We're only counting the ums that I'm using inappropriately, okay? I have legit heard more ums. We'll make it 18. We got to keep this under 20 today. Because 20 times 5. Yeah, you did, he says. I know Luke's being honest. Okay, I'm not going to question Luke's honesty. Man, I'm going to be broke by Friday. I better make some more trades, guys. I'm trying to be better at speaking. Putting your money where your mouth is going to be the key to making you quit a bad habit. You'd be like, okay, I will lose money if I say this. Going into market open, we've established the idea here. We have a couple of trade ideas. We're looking for a breakout retest. We're looking for a rejection. Swing failure pattern back down into our key level down below. Let's pull a fib now that we do have. I don't know if this is a significant low, but you can go from the start of the move here down to here. We could be targeting this general area for a potential rejection on our way up. So that's just something we can keep in our mind here. And it matches up with retesting the previous lows. Golden pocket. Probably some order blocks and stuff like that. Yeah. Failing to get above this, so I'm looking for this to continue down. Swing fail down below. We'll have to wait and see. Okay. This isn't a breakout retest. It's not convincing. We haven't even broken this high yet, right? Has this thing changed? Just the width? Let me see here. Yeah, this thing loves VWAP. This looks like it's gonna break out. It just looks like it's gonna break out to the upside. How high does it go? We'll see, but it's not something I'm looking to get into right now. But there's some strength here for sure. I'm afraid to talk now just to make sure I don't say any ums. Is that bad? What's going on with my trading view? We're not having internet issues again. It's something to do with the bit rate here. Joshua Lee Mallory says it's going to go as high as a trapped bear bag is deep. We're going back to that supply up above where we broke down from last Friday. Okay. I like that thought. That's good. So we're coming up for this supply, yeah? Up here? 62.6. I could see that. I could see that for sure. VWAP got strong gravity. Yeah, absolutely. The UMO meter is taking up too much bandwidth. It's facts, man. That's the facts. Alexandra G saying good morning to Johnny. How's it going, Johnny? Good to see you, Rodney, Michael, Joshua Lee, Luke Zaldana. Good to see you. Is it Dana or Dana? Luke Zaldana or Dana? I say Dana. Dana or Dana? Day or Dan? Luke Zaldana or Luke Zaldana? I want to know. I want to say it because I want to say it correctly. I've seen other YouTubers with similar issues having to increase bitrate lately. Yeah, look at this. Every time. It says stream is healthy, then bitrate. Stream is healthy, then bitrate. It's this every time. This is on my studio right now. It's always the bitrate. Bitrate lower than recommended bitrate. Blah, 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 blah. Like, so weird. So weird. Yeah, a little push here. That's right, Rodney. We're pushing up. Now, if we do come up within this area here, that's just a simple liquidity grab, right? right up in here. Very much a sell zone, in my opinion. Pardon me. Meter at 18. We're holding strong, guys. We're holding strong. Looks like the Dixie here wants to push. Which is okay because we've made a lower low, right? So this thing can definitely come up. That's great, but at the end of the day, the structure is still to the downside. You got a little bit of continuation here. Nice little move here, 0.5%. Let's see if it has a reaction up here, swinging the highs, okay? A little push here. Possible short entry here coming in. This can be very cheap too if you want. Just above that high there and look to come back down into this area here. Possible. I would like to see, as we come up in here, a surge and then a lower high. Okay, that would give me the idea for a short. Not until then. Not until then at all. Okay, we got continuation here very clearly. Going from the low here all the way up. So we have this uptrend here, tracking momentum to the upside. We'll see how we react in this area here. Taking out this high here. But this is our key resistance up here. Remember, I'm not into this. I will let you know if I do enter. Do your own research. Figure out your trading strategy. Look at the VWAP supporting this. So looking as though it's pretty strong. Don't want to fight the uptrend just yet. We are in a more of a bearish downtrend though, in my opinion. So as you can see, breaking down right now into our key area where we gave you guys the area for a bounce. Okay, we were saying we were getting a little overextended here last night. And we'll see where we continue from here. Better end the stream soon so you don't pay over $20. Yeah. 20 times 5 is going to be a $100 week. So, you know, I think this is a good 18 plus, depending on what you like. I think it's going to be a good experiment, helping me curve my ums, right? Curve the ums. That's what it's all about this week, is to become more concise in my speech, okay? Look at the push here. Here we go. Let's go, Bitcoin. 10 after 9. Okay, a little push up. Little push up. We'll see what it does here. It's gonna get slapped down. This is a surge. In my opinion, these things get slapped. Okay. Look at the sell wall we have in here as well. So we'll see. Remember, we're waiting for the failure to get above this high. Retest, continue down. Down. Stop whining. Right now it's a bear div, right? Bear div across the board. Bear div. Not so much here. This continuation. Get down. Great call, guys, on getting out of the short here. Great call. Good work. We're working together. We're making money. We have one win today. So far, so good. Little breadcrumb win. Okay. I see you with your discipline there, not chasing price. That's good. This isn't good for the bulls. In my opinion, like a push up in this morning, like this, is just asking for this. Like it's begging for this liquidity grab here. Everybody's just like, oh, let's get long, let's get long, let's get long, let's get wrecked. Okay. David Brumbelow in the chat. Inching upwards now means in 25 minutes, everyone taking longs now will likely be whack-a-mole. Yeah, there it is, right? There it is. That's a great thought to have. Fishing fetish up 13%. That's fishy, man. That's fishy, bro. Good to see you, Brumbelow. Hope you're doing well, my man. We got a David Brumbelow Bumblebee here for all you members. We get pushed down over the weekend. We come back up, grab some of these people getting short here, and then we rip it on their heads. Yeah, it's a very good thought. It's contrarian to what retail is doing. Retail is longing this, right? Only to possibly get wrecked. We wait for our confirmations, though. I think that's key. Coming up into our little sell wall here, we want to see a breakdown of structure, right? So we want to see this come back down, put in some lows. And if we missed it, we missed it. That's okay. It's not high probabilities to just go long here, in my opinion. Your long was down here on the bullish divergence, okay? That bullish divergence on your 1 hour, your 30-minute, that was your long, okay? The continuation of that bullish divergence. We're not chasing price up here. We're looking to get short here because the trend is down. Watching Terminator last night. Old, not obsolete. That's the one. Who's your daddy or what does he do? What are those extra lines around VWAP? Those are standard deviations, my friends. So a standard deviation is just a 1-to-1, a 2-to-1, a 2.5-to-1, a 3-to-1. So they're just the same. They're the VWAP, but extensions of the VWAP. So you have your 2, your 2, your 2, your 2, your 2.5, your 3. They all pop off, right? So your 2, your 2.5, your 3. So these are all... Whenever you get overextended, you can look to trade them back in. They act as support and resistance as well. Okay? So you can see we're at standard deviation 1. Bearish divergence, possibly coming back to VWAP, right? The more you deviate from VWAP, the more likely you are to come back and retest it. Okay, so you can be looking for longs down here. You can be looking for shorts up here, right? And you trade the VWAP as if it's a magnet. Just another way of taking advantage of price action. We got 15 minutes till market opens. This looks strong still. I don't think this is very nice of Mr. Market Maker getting everybody bullish again. I don't think it's nice. The 12-hour VIX? What's the VIX doing? Is the VIX popping off? Where's my VIX chart? Not VIX VapoRub. I thought I had a VIX chart. I do have a VIX chart. What the hell? Volatility index crushing down. That's good. That's good. I do have a VIX chart somewhere. It's got me thinking about the chicken pox bullshit. Yeah. Yeah. Now, what is interesting? Okay, what do you guys think about this? Okay? What do you guys think about this? So, COVID, I don't care. Demonetize me, YouTube. COVID, everybody took the jab, okay? I didn't take the jab. If you're curious, I'm an anti-vaxxer. Okay? Everybody took the jab, and now everybody's seeing that it's stupid or whatever you think about it. Okay? I believe it's great for older people, blah 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 blah. I'm not on any side. I don't care. You make your own decisions, your body, okay? I'm not for it or against it. Don't be coughing on people if you're sick, okay? However, everybody who took the jab, who felt like the jab is stupid, okay? Is now not going to take any sort of jab for this chickenpox shit, okay? So they get everybody who's rebellious now, who's pissed off that they took the jab, not going to take the monkey jab. Therefore, you got the people who are taking the jab, the most compliant people, just not who take the jab, right? So they're going to wean out the people who are on the fence, who aren't going to take the monkey jab, but maybe you should take the monkey jab. You get what I mean? To only have people get sick for not taking the monkey jab. Therefore, you wean out everyone, and all you have is the compliant people. Just a conspiracy. Just thinking. What do you guys think? I don't know. That's my thoughts. Okay? Look at this thing. It's ripping. It's ripping. All right. We broke. We're broken. Okay, so we're looking for continuation now. Okay, a little bit different. Breaking, continuation. I think you maybe need to turn Fox News off. Yeah. Either way, your body. We lost 10 people, probably because I'm not jabbed. They're like, I'm gonna catch the COVID through the microphone because he says too many times. This is strong. I love a good conspiracy too, Toaster. So break is structured to the upside. This is good. Now we are favoring longs, okay, my friends? Can't always be right. You did not take that short. Remember, that's why you wait for confirmation, right? That's why you wait for confirmation. Is something going on in Ethereum? I see ETH. ETH just made a higher high. Okay, cool. Bull div playing out, pushing up here. So now we look for the retest, right? We have a concise breakout looking for continuation, right? So if we do come back down, let's see the volume within this area here. So we're looking generally something like this. We got our break of structure here, right? Talk to me, Alex. Let's go. I worked in the hospitals during COVID. It was stupid. Yeah. Thank you for your service, man. Thank you. I mean, look at that push. Wow. Okay. I got the vid for like a day and a half, and I was fine. So it's like the flu. It's like an achy flu. Wasn't too Wasn't too bad. I mean, I've had strep throat. That was worse. I keep getting this bitrate warning. Bitrate, stream is healthy. Bitrate, stream is healthy. Bitrate, stream is healthy. Constantly. Look at it. Street. Crazy. Okay, so liquidity has been grabbed above here. Let's see if we get continuation. Nice bull div. Pushing into open here. No trades as of yet, my friends. No trades as of yet. To me, this wants to come back and grab liquidity. If not, we see continuation here. This is a nice strong push, though. A nice strong push, okay? We're still at 18 ums. We're doing okay. Standard deviation, right? So now we're far deviated from our VWAP. We look to return back to VWAP. Sell walls up here. Nothing that I want to participate in so far today, my friends. We took the little short. Thank God we got out of that short, right? We take what the market gives us. We try to make good decisions. I think that was a great decision, my friends. And now we don't chase price, right? There's no strategy that says, hey, just chase price. Just chase it, man. There's no strategy that says, hey, get long here. Does this say get long to you? Maybe. Maybe it would work. Let's say we got long here, okay? Where are you going to put your stop loss? Tell me that. First off, are you going to go below VWAP here? Maybe if you're swing trading, now that you have the confirmation of the break of trend, could be a possible idea here. Right? TDS Gamer says thank you. Thank you, man. Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. Good to hang. Good to be trading with the gang as usual, man. You guys are awesome. Trying to make our money. We've taken a little short scalp. Nothing. Yeah, I guess the trade was the long here for continuation. Bull div. Some momentum-based strategies chase price. Okay, that makes. I mean, momentum. Yeah, Kyle, who's part of our Discord, who is the head trader at Finova. He likes this breakout and the continuation trade. But he's been doing it for 5+ years, right? That's his bread and butter. I've learned a lot from Kyle, but it's not. You have to develop trust with the strategy, okay? I think that's key. You have to know where you make your money, where you don't make your money. I think that's even more important is where do I lose, right? Identifying where you lose and staying away from those. It's like, if you don't know how to swim, don't go in the deep end, right? This is my idea here. That's what I would look for. Point of control of this little range in here. Maybe front run it a little bit. Retest to the highs. Stop loss quite cheap below this wick here. Something like that, right? Continuation of an uptrend since breaking structure to the upside. Market opens in 7 minutes, right? Getting everybody bullish right now. So what's the idea? What's the idea? That's there. The idea is to get short on people's heads. Hang out with the market maker. Value area high. Stop loss above here. Quite cheap. Look to target back down to at least the lows of this range. Possible trade setup, right? How do we get into this trade? Well, we wait. Wait for a retest back up. 1 minute. Let's see if we get this SFP up here. Continuation. People be chasing here. People are chasing here. We know that for sure. Not us. We don't chase. Little sell wall at 59K. Another one, 59.4. Thanks, Michael. See, this is good. We can all talk through it this morning, working together, trying to... Yeah, we got that for sure. Okay, little grab for liquidity here. Nothing significant. View up coming up. Market opens in 5 minutes. We'll have more data, supposedly. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. They always need more data, don't they? Give me more data. I'll give you some more data. I'll be a data in September. Five minutes. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. This looks like a rejection, in my opinion. Four minutes. We'll see how the S&P opens up this morning. It's been on a tear, right? S&P's been on a tear, which is good. I would love to see it take this high, like convincingly take this high. We are still below this high right now. We take this high, that would be nice. That would be really nice. Then we can look for the retrace back down, continuation. Come on down, Bitcoin. Come on down, Bitcoin. Nice little move here. Nice 1% move for Bitcoin. Nothing for me yet. Nothing for me yet. Maybe if we get a... Is it buffering? It keeps saying this bitrate thing, man. Bitrate of 128. I don't know what to do with this. It keeps messing with me. Keeps messing with me. I don't understand it. How am I doing for those ums? Look at this. We're holding strong. 18 ums. Look at that. We're doing all right. We're doing all right. We're working on our speech. You guys gotta smack that like button. Got 105 people in here. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Looking for this to come down. I'd like to see this. And then drop. Nothing convincing me to get short just yet. A little overextended here. Pushing up. We got room on our 15 here. Money's coming in quite aggressively, as you can see. VWAP flipping back to the upside, looking all right. 24-minute here. How much is your capital? Rush YouTube, how much is your capital, my friend? That's what I want to know, bro. Just come on here and just disclose my my amount of money I have. Hey guys, please just take my money and run. Thank you for being here, Rush YouTube. Okay, we open up in 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market has opened. Cha-ching, da-ding. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we're gapping up. We're gapping up on the S&P. Push. Get above this high. Just get above this high, and then we can chill. Gapping up, a little bit of a push here. Flat here on Bitcoin. Dixie, flat as well. Get above here. Come on. Come on, SPY. SPY in the place to be. What's the NASDAQ looking like here? NASDAQ looking strong too. Okay. Come on down there, Dixie. I would like to see us revisit down below, like I'm not convinced on the short. We still got that bull div. I think it's still playing out here. As you can see, you go into momentum waves here. You can see bull div here, right? And then you see there's tons of room to the upside for this thing to continue to push, right? So a retracement and continuation would be ideal. That would just mean we're going like this. Okay. I was iffy on getting long this morning. Didn't want to take that trade. Coming into resistance. Then we got the breakout. Okay. We're not a breakout trader. We're just here to take what the market gives us. Okay. 1 hour, tons of room as well. VWAP's a little bit overextended in my opinion. So this VWAP can definitely flatten out and come back down. Money's coming back in, which is a good sign. Let's go to our 30-minute. 30 minutes pushing up, flattening out on VWAP. Interesting. Looks like we got a little bit of continuation here, pushing back up into these highs here. Getting a little overextended. Sell wall 59,150. That would be ideal. Maybe we come up in here, get rejected, come back down. This is our golden pocket, order blocks, fair value gap area. RSI, yeah, a little bit overextended. Absolutely, Luke. Crabbing. Yeah, the ummometer is crabbing right now. Don't worry, we'll have to drop some ohms for sure. Okay, a little push up here. That to me is good. Let's see if the S&P has created that high. Not yet. Get above there, S&P. I would like to see that. And then you can do whatever you want, bro. Get above there. Ooh, double top rejection. Double top rejection. Let's see if no higher high here. Come on, keep pushing. 12-minute. Momentum's coming up. A little bit of negative posturing for VWAP here. Could be getting to that overextension area. Remember, we don't want to just nilly-willy jump into a short, right? I would like to see this come some sort of rejection pattern, right? So bearish divergence on a short-term time frame. Break of structure. If we lose this low here, this is continuation so far. The higher it gets, the better this trade looks because you're more protected, in my opinion, to the downside. Look at all this beautiful liquidity. Look at it. Liquidity, order block, right? So short term to the downside is more appealing to me. You know Bitcoin loves to rip, though. Bitcoin loves to rip. So we ain't fully going to fight this uptrend. We just want to be patient. Be patient is going to be key right now. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. 100 plus people, man. This is pretty cool. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. I feel spoiled. I feel spoiled by your guys' presence. Hopefully I can deliver some value to your guys' lives and hopefully make you better traders. Just trying to go with the flow and show you what I do on a daily basis. I think that was the whole point of starting these morning live streams. Talk you through my my thought process. Monday's false move, right? So are we pushing up into some resistance only to dump it back down on people's heads, right? That's the contrarian thought right now, in my opinion. If we lose this low here, I'm going to get short, right? We lose this low. We come back up, I'm getting short. Very simple. Right back down to VWAP. Easy peasy. Until then, uptrend. Don't fight it. Little bear div right now. Okay, that's my first sign of weakness. Taking the elevator down. Break that structure. Break it. Going on. There we go. There's the break. Okay, so now we can be looking for a short. Quite possibly. Quite possibly. Come on, Bitcoin, okay? Now, is this just coming back down to wreck some people? Sheesh. I guess a short trade would have played. Not at a key level, though. Don't tell me this is a key level. It is a key level. Fuck. I didn't have my key levels turned on. There's a mistake. There's a mistake. You see that? See the key level? I should have known better. Should have known better. Should have known better. Support and resistance, volume level coming up, banging its head on that, right? That's all right. Should have been looking for it. Should have been looking for it a little bit more aggressively here. That's okay. Little mistake this morning. Didn't have my because it gets cluttered when I'm doing like long-term analysis, right? It looks cluttered. I turn it off, which is something I shouldn't have done here. Should have understood where I was at, right? Clearly at a rejection level. Dang it. That's a little frustrating. Not going to lie. Not going to lie. Darren, you haven't missed anything except me not fucking using my levels. Sorry, pardon my French. F words count as ums. Okay. I get it. We'll go to 19. We're there. I hear you. I hear you loud and clear. We say that in Canada because French is the second language. Une phoque is a seal in French, by the way. Wow, VWAP retest? F words add flavor. I like that. The flavor saver. The beard is the flavor saver. All right, I'm getting a little messy here. Let's turn off this here. Let's understand the long is down here. The short was up there. We effed that one up. That's okay. We can look for the retest here on the short. We can look for the retest here on the long. We're in a pretty nice position now. Let's see what comes out of it. I'm looking for a short from up here, protection above the high. Okay. Looking for the long down here, protection below the low. Vice versa. We'll see which one plays, okay? Very cheap. Very cheap. Cheap, like a bird. Okay? Tweezer top here on the 15. Bearish engulfing. I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish. Just want price action to behave itself, okay? Behave yourself. Still in an uptrend. Little break of structure here, the double top at the key level of resistance. Still in this kind of uptrend here, right? You can see that. Pushing up. No real direction today. I think yes, we've pushed up, but kind of choppy. Kind of choppy. Dad joke response. I get it, Rodney. All right, let's do the dad joke. The dad joke. How many tickles does it take before you can make an octopus laugh? How many tickles? 10 tickles. Oh, fuck. 10 tickles. That's good. I like that one. That one's all right. That one's all right. Rodney's gonna have a boy. Let's go, boy dad. Let's go, Rodney. Let's see some otters in the chat for Rodney. Congratulations, he's having a boy. That's pretty awesome, man. I'm having a boy as well. Boys rule, girls drool. Congrats, man. Congrats. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. We're too blessed to be stressed in this community, right? Too blessed to be stressed. That's awesome, man. Congratulations. Many well wishes for a healthy and happy baby. That's what it's all about. Considering a long down at VWAP here, we'll see. Looking for a retest rejection as well. So kind of caught in the middle here. Looking a little overextended in my opinion. Okay. Missed our top here, value area high. Kind of upset about this one, but that's okay. Wanted to get short this morning. Only to miss it. Only to miss it. Now, we don't chase price. Remember, we don't chase price. Don't chase price. So now the idea is that we come into here. We see if we get a bounce off VWAP holding the low. And then we can possibly get long. Okay? Not just yet, but possibly get long here. 58,400 idea for a long. Let's see if we get it. Might take a stab here at VWAP. Doesn't want to come to VWAP. Okay. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Dab at VWAP, you want to come? Come on, bro. Come down to VWAP. I guess that's VWAP. Not really, but it's VWAP. $58,380 it's VWAP, I think. Yeah, 372, 380. Chopping us up this morning. Doesn't really want to give us a decision. It's indecisive, man. It's indecisive. Indecisive. Looking to get long down here. We'll see. That'd be the perfect little retest. Rejection off our value or volume area up top here. Tweezer top pushing us down. Taking a little ride down right now. We'll see if we do get down in within this area looking for a potential long. Around 58,389. That would be a continuation of higher lows, which is ideal in my opinion. This kind of working back up. We'll see. This is still like a 1% move. That's all right. Like, this is okay for me. I like a 1% move. I just want to see this hold. 58,243 is going to be stop loss. Let us stay above here. I mean, this short was more ideal in my opinion. Ugh. Makes me mad. We had the short ready and we didn't execute. Executional error. Could we be revenge trading now with a long? Possibly. Possibly. Got to check our motives. Should we be looking for continuation? We got overextension here. VWAP posturing to the upside, looking for a bounce continuation. So if we do get a bounce from here, I would be looking for to at least come to these high to the lows here. So we go here and here for that continuation down. So that's still a nice little trade. Even 0.5%, I'll take it. Manage our trade accordingly. VWAP's held strong as well, so that's a good indication as well as some strength. $389. We'll see. We'll see. I don't think it's a revenge trade. I think it's a continuation trade. A little bit more. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay. That's aggressive. That's aggressive. Not for us. That's not for us then. That's why we wait. That's why we wait. You see? That's why we wait. The short was correct. Remember the trade thought, right? The trade thought was getting everybody excited about the long and then wrecking everybody, right? That was the trade thought this morning. And clearly that was the right idea. The right idea. Is this an option to get long here? Questionable. Questionable. Short is pain. That's the one. If you did take that short this morning, good job. Holy balls, says French Toaster. Yeah, that's your typical liquidity grab, right? Pushing through VWAP. You got people trying to long VWAP here. That's why you wait for confirmation right there. That's exactly why you wait for confirmation. Bro Show did 58,426. Great job. Nice. You took the continuation of that rejection up top. I like that trade. Okay. Good job. Good job. Now that we've grabbed liquidity, now this is a potential for a long. This is a potential for a long coming back up. Coming back up to the VWAP. V-shaped recovery. So far, one winning trade today, guys. Talking you guys through it. My ideas, my thoughts. If you're enjoying the content, let me know. I think, better than, ripping through some altcoins, giving you guys some levels. We can always do that on an evening stream. We're going to be on Trading Wars this afternoon at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That should be fun. I'll share it out in the Discord so you guys know where we're at. Trading Wars is pretty good, man. You got a whole bunch of traders. Some good, some not, in my opinion. We won't say anything. I respect some people in there. Some people, they're not full-time traders, right? So it's not for me to say I don't like them as a person. They're all great people. They're all very good people. Kind, good people. It's just, if we're traders and we want to become a trader, we want to learn from people who are trading, right? That's the thought. That's the thought. Okay, so reckon the Bulls and the Bears coming back for the Bears, coming back for the Bulls. A little bit of indecision now. So we'll see. We're pretty much we started where we left off, right? We're here, right? Where we got out of our short, back into this range. Typical Bitcoin, right? Typical Bitcoin. So there's an opportunity here, I think, for a long. We'll have to see. The thing is we've broken structure, right? So we've come down, we've broken this structure to the upside here. So we are looking for a continuation. This might be an opportunity to get long right now. Correct? Does that make sense? I think that makes sense. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. I don't know about you guys, but it makes sense to me. Okay? Let me see here. Where would I get long? There's nothing. 3 minute pushing back V-shaped recovery. Probably hit our head on the VWAP up here. So I'd like to see us hit our head on the VWAP. Boop. And then do one of these. Fire off the long. We'll see if we can reclaim back up here. I first look for the rejection off VWAP if we're going to bounce, okay? If we're going to bounce. This is clearly a downtrend, okay? We're not looking to get long here yet. Clearly we've broken structure to the downside as well. Okay, yes, we've broken structure up here on this trend. So we are looking for the bounce here, but we are breaking structure on this trend here. So we could be looking for continuation here. This trend is obviously stronger because it's bigger. It's not something we're trying to fight right now. Comprendo? Comprendo. Okay? Amica mia, my friends. Protection is key. Protect yourself before you wreck yourself. I'm still short, Aaron says. Good job, man. Awesome. Awesome trade. Awesome trade. I'm pissed at myself I didn't get short here. But that's okay. We can't catch them all, okay? They ain't Pokemon. Tweezer top, rejection down, break of structure. It was all here for that short. Key level of... See, that would have been my extra confluence to get short this morning. And I didn't have my levels on. Okay, look, we're bouncing off a key level right now. Okay? Good morning, Luna Moon. Hope you're doing well. It's 10 o'clock here. 10 o'clock here. Probably going to sign off shortly. You guys have a link to a good trading journal. Yeah, there should be Invest to Share on our Discord. I believe has a trading journal here. Here we go. You go over, I think, Kyle journal. Type in journal here. Here it is right here. Let me copy the link. I'll send it in the Otter chat here. There you go. Look at that. Resourceful, aren't we? Not bad for a carpenter. Not bad. Not bad at all. Overextended. Little mini bear div. Key volume support or resistance. And that was the short. Creating liquidity on the ride up, right? Liquidity, taking the stairs up, only to take the elevator down. Very simple trade this morning, okay? Very simple. Let's see if we get the bounce. Right? We'd like to see rejection off VWAP, come back down, continuation out. We'll see if we get that. Could possibly go long here as well. Okay, so there's still an opportunity to possibly get long here. If we are to lose this low down here, I would suggest we're going lower. But we haven't lost this low. So we be patient. We be patient, right? Looking at structure here, right? We can simply see that we are in a downtrend. Very, very key downtrend, right? But we have pushed up higher, creating a break of structure to the upside. This could be a little bit of hopium for a bounce, okay? We got bullish divergence. Continuation, bullish divergence, quite possible, okay? Quite possible. Depends on your time horizon. However, tweezer top, bearish engulfing candle at a key level of support and resistance, right? When I give you guys these levels, no joke, look at these things, how they hit. I don't have to tell you how well these things hit, okay? You should be able to see it because you have the levels too. Okay? Make sure you get those levels. I share them all the time in the Discord. Anytime I change them, I switch them, okay? Boop, boop. There you go, right? You look to the right, you get all the levels, right? Open it up, look at the right, you get the level. Buy bit chart. Most liquidity on the buy bit chart. That's why we use the buy bit chart. Okay? Lots of liquidity. Three black crows. Okay, careful. Threes are scary, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's bearish, okay? That is bearish. Did the S&P make a new high? Oh, equal high. Equal high. Look at that. Tweezer top. Equal high. I would say it's higher. What do you guys say? I'd say it's higher. Higher high? Is that a higher high? What do you guys think? One in the chat if this is a higher high. I think it's a higher high on the S&P. That's good. That's good news long term, in my opinion. That's a higher high. Yeah. That's a higher high for sure. So we have a higher high on the S&P. Why is this good? Go to 4 hour, we can see. We have pushed V-shape, full V-shape recovery, creating a higher high. So any retrace now is suggestion that we are going to continue. Okay? Very, very positive in my opinion. This is a good sign for everything. Okay? If the S&P 500 has now made a higher high after this absolute ripper to the downside, this is bullish in my opinion. Okay? Doesn't matter if we come back down here. happy days, in my opinion. Very good news. All right. Bitcoin pushing back. Bitcoin pushing back here. We got a little bit of a VWAP crossover coming up with green money flow. Looking for that continuation, rejection off VWAP, coming back down, looking for that long trade. We'll see if we get it. Okay? We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Thank you guys for being here. We got 105 people, 90 likes. You guys are doing good on those likes. I think you guys can do better, though. Let's get those likes up. We have been definitely holding our tongue. There's been many a times where I want to say the okay? We are holding ourselves sub 20 right now on the o-meter, okay? We are not going to be a Buddhist monk no more. We are working on channeling our inner and not saying them anymore. We want to be concise. We want to be a absolute prolific speaker, okay? The better we get at speaking, the more people we can help. We don't need to sit here and go, okay, this isn't, your meditation channel, yoga nidra, go to sleep shit. Okay, this is trading, baby. We want this to be exciting. We want to see big, beautiful, girthy candles where we can take advantage of them and make tons of money. Okay? Look at that rejection off VWAP. Okay? We got continuation here. Big rejection off VWAP. People shorten the farm on this thing. People shorten the farm. That's okay. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. Back up we go. VWAP flip, continuation. Let's see it. We'll see. We'll see where we get to. We got a little bit of bearishness after coming up, pushing up, getting everybody a little bit too excited, in my opinion. Looking for this continuation. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Been crushing it. Been crushing it. The ideas have been there. The execution has not been there today. Okay. The short was available. We should have shorted the farm. That's okay. We can't always get what you want, but you got to try sometimes. You get what you give. Oh, yeah. Lana Long. What's Solana doing? Is Solana being fun or what? Solana consolidation. Oh, look at that Solana short we gave. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Oops, don't change those support and resistance. Solana has lost structure to the upside on this parabolic uptrend. We got a nice little sandwich here on Solana, right? A nice little support and resistance sandwich in the middle of the sandwich. Don't want to mess with this. Don't want to mess with this. I think we can go up from here. Let me know in the chat. Put a 1 if you're bullish. Put a 2 if you're bearish. 1 if you're bullish. 2 if you're bearish. 1 if you're bullish. 2 if you're bearish. Where do you think we're going? I think we coming up. I think we on the come up. What do you guys think? Am I skewing your bias by saying I think we're going up? I'm maybe up to the VWAP then getting rejected. How about that? Girl, I want to make you sweat. Sweat till you can't sweat no more. This chat is on fire. You guys are bearish, bullish. You got, what's a 3? What's crypto? What's going on, man? What does 3 mean? It's you're indecisive. 1 is bullish. More 10 is a half. What's a half, bro? Half means he's not trading. Girlie wants to make you sweat. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go, Bitcoin. Pump it, baby. Push it some more. Oh, I'm going to get long on this thing. Come on, Bitcoin. Are we going to get long or what? What are we doing here, guys? VWAP flip to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo-wee. Are we going to get long? It's cheap. It's a cheap trade. It's cheap. It's cheap like a bird. Cheap, cheap, you know? Ooh-wee. I like a cheap trade. You guys know I like a cheap trade. We ain't gonna let him bring us down again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Maybe we take a little stab here. Take a little stab. All right, let's go. Take a little stab. Gotta be cheap though. It's gotta be cheap. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Push it. Push it. I only want this. Give me this. Give me this to the highs. To the highs. Very cheap. I'm in. Very cheap. Come on. Just to the 58.6. Give me 58.6, baby. 630. What do we got up here? 630. Standard deviation 1. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Push it, baby. We gotta make this stream exciting, man. Get the people going. Get the people going. Show me what VWAP's made out of, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Push. Push. You got it. Come and wreck these bears. Wreck these bears. Show them who is your daddy and what did they do. Come on. Don't be cheap like this. You got more work to do. You got more work to do. Get up there. Get up there. They want to see you. They want to see you. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Push. You got this. You got this. You got continuation. You got that growth mindset. You got it. You got it. Come on. Just up to 616. 616. We'll do 616. Come on. Just up here. You got it, Bitcoin. This is a bad risk to reward ratio here. You can do it. Guys, blow on the charts for me if you don't mind. Blow on the charts. Give me a little whoosh, whoosh. Give me a little whoosh, whoosh. Need a magnet. He says I need a magnet. Let's go, magnet. Magnet power. No, not down. Not down. Not down. Up, 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 up. Listen to the people. Listen to the people. Listen. 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh fuck. Are we having fun? Are we having fun? Come on, there's no better entertainment. Blessed to the beatbox. Alex crypto. Oh man, too funny. Let's see a little bounce here. I think we can do a little bounce. Make a little love. Get down tonight. Boom, 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 boom. Get down tonight. Boom, doom, doom, doom. Get down, get down, get down. You got the moves, baby. Kind of stuck in the middle here, right? The VWAP's doing its thing. We don't want to fight this. I mean, look at this thing. Coming back up, grabbing some liquidity. A little bit of hopium here. Maybe forcing the trade, right? Trade in the middle of a range. Not too smart. Alex crypto. Probably not too smart. We'll see. Look at this. Oh, this gives me some hope here. Money flow crossover coming back in. This gives me some hope here. Momentum wave can cool off. 15-minute. Positive posturing. Little pushback. 30-minute. 30-minute red dot. Okay. Very, very aggressive sell-off, right? So, Interessant, as they would say. S'il vous plaît. I still think we can come up. Where's our fib? Where's our fib? Swing high to swing low. We didn't hit 618, did we? No, we still got room. Yeah, look at that. Continuation to the 618. Funny how that works out. Okay. Yeesh. Rolling over. It's rolling over, baby. Let's see. Look at this sell wall. Look at this. Oh, that's disgusting. This should be below the low here. I guess we should have been looking for a continuation here off the 382. Quite possibly. Quite possibly. We'll see if these lows hold. If these lows don't hold, we're out with a little bit of a loss. With a little bit of a loss. Healing with Maya says wrecked. That's no good. That's no good. Darren does things. Bounce at 57.50. I don't know how to read that, Darren. 57.5057.6. Darren. 57.5. Okay. I can read that now. 786 and BTC is at 57K. Okay. 57K 786. You're looking for this one here? 57K right here. I could see that. Absolutely. I like that. That's cool. That's cool. If we get down there, we'll see. I mean, came perfectly up into our little resistance line this morning. We knew the short was the trade, right? We knew it. Did we take it? No, that's okay. Good morning, Mrs. Otter. How are you? Yes, please. You look cute today. You ready for the baby? He says yes. Baby Otter's on its way. We'll have to wait and find out. Rolling over. Rolling on the river. Candle was a fake out for news that was at 9:15. Okay. Was that this here? That 9:15 fake out? Right here? Yeah. That was the speech, wasn't it? The speech. That was the speech. I'm going to go have breakfast, I think. Little win today, little loss. Well, we haven't lost yet, but looks like a little loss. That's okay. I'd be looking for down here, right? Within this box. This box is, in my opinion, where I think we will get the bounce. We'll have to wait and find out. But down within here. Golden pocket starts right around 57.7 all the way down to 57.5. Okay, so that's my initial bounce area. That would give us an SFP down below here. Grabbing liquidity down below here. And that's the way sometimes the cookie does crumble. Nonetheless, we had good thought patterns today. I think that's a success. Understanding direction, where liquidity resides, where price can continue from, coming up to a key resistance. We didn't take that short. I mean, that was the trade. We didn't take that short. That was the trade. It looks as though Bitcoin's coming up. We haven't taken those lows. I'm still in that long. I will break even 58 350. So we'll see where it goes. Looking for that. Just to come back up, break even, done for the day. But probably going to get stopped out here. I would look for that swing down to around 57.7 if we do continue downwards. Remember, we are looking for a little bit of a bounce here. We have broken structure to the upside, so we could be looking to come back up, right? Could be looking to come back up. That's very possible, okay? Right now, we're really at the point of control, banging our heads against the wall. So we'll be patient. Bitcoin is doing its thing. Volatility is king. We've had some today. We've been able to identify where some key trades are. Our meter is at 19 for the week. Okay, we will continue our meter and do a giveaway on Friday. Trying to get better at speaking. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Guys, thank you so much for supporting me, supporting this channel. I'll continue to show up for you guys. And it looks like Bitcoin's pumping. Might take this off for a small loss. Or I might hold on to it. We'll have to wait and find out. Thank you guys for being here. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And on Trading Wars today. Much love. Peace out.
On it come up, better sit low. The product's base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chip's low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRP. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto.